In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your team name on Asana. Whether you're embarking on a rebranding journey or adjusting your focus, changing a team name is a common task that helps keep things aligned with your team's identity and goals. So, let's walk through this process step by step to ensure that everything goes off without a hitch. First things first, you'll need to log into your Asana account. Once you've done that, give it a moment to load your Asana homepage. Here, you'll see a comprehensive view of all your projects. It's like having a bird's-eye view of everything your team is working on. Once everything is loaded, direct your attention to the left sidebar menu. This menu is your navigation hub, where you'll find links to all your teams and projects. We're specifically interested in locating the Teams section. Now, depending on how many projects and teams you're involved in, you might find this section prominently displayed, or you may have to scroll a little bit to find exactly what you're looking for. Either way, take your time and look through the options until you spot the team whose name you'd like to change. Once you've found the team, click on it. This leads you to a detailed view of all your team members, projects, and other relevant information that keep everyone on the same page. Now, this next part is crucial, and it's quite simple. Look next to the team name for a small drop-down arrow. This subtle arrow is your gateway to making the changes you need. Once you click on this drop-down arrow, a menu will appear with various options. Here, you will choose the option labeled Edit Team Settings. Clicking this will open a new window or area specifically designed for modifying your team's setup. Now that we're in the Team Settings window, you'll see multiple options. Don't let them overwhelm you. Today, we're focusing just on changing the team name. Locate the text box labeled Team Name. Click inside this text box, and you'll be ready to type in the new name you've decided upon for your team. A good rule of thumb here is to choose a name that truly reflects your team's purpose or mission. Plus, it should be something that's easy for all team members to recognize and understand. Double-check to ensure everything is spelled correctly. Once you're happy with your new choice, simply save the settings. Asana will then work its magic, updating the team name across the platform. And just like that, you've successfully changed your team name on Asana. This straightforward process not only keeps your workspace organized, but also maintains clarity and cohesion for everyone involved. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. See you next time.